An HVAC system manipulates the properties of the air in a conditioned space to regulate a desirable rate of heat transfer. The Energy University course, HVAC and the Characteristics of Air, introduces some basic HVAC terms that are useful when looking at the efficiency of an HVAC system. In this course, you will learn how to calculate the heat flow of an HVAC system given input parameters and define wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, and dew point in order to understand their relevance to the management of humidity in HVAC systems. Interested in learning more? Check out this Energy University course today.